218.20.57. Now you see, I can see all the passwords there. Let me put it in a bigger file. So I am able to see all the users here. Users and their passwords, how many users. So I will see this one, who I am command. I am going to execute that command here. Second one. So now you got it right. 51 page, you navigate through 51 page. Copy. So URL rejected, malformed input to a URL function. So this it has not executed. It says like it is malformed. Okay. So I will just remove that space there here. So I want to see from which user I am running. See, this got executed and I got executional command also, like the user is here, it is showing my name here, who am I. Okay. So like this you are sending the commands here in the URL. Okay. So then if you are sending with the cat command, you are reading the password here. Okay. So you are executing the password also. You see? So this is sensitive file, you are able to capture this information also. This is your exploit command injection. Okay. So you are passing this on to the host and you are extracting the information. So now for you, blue team who is having access on this server, okay. So you should be able to access this. So why you are getting this type of, how you want to see those logs here. So you logged in, now you will see, okay. So you are going to install these. So if you are on Ubuntu, you will be doing it with APT. I will be installing with DNF. Or let me watch it here, okay. Sudo. So you are running only one command here, okay. Let me see it here. How many process I will be executing. See, I am running it. One more year execution. Okay. I'm not able capture this. So let me do that. Audit, sudo audit control. Then you are going to review the logs. Now let me run that command again. Okay. So I have run the injection command. Let me review the logs here. Okay. Type config change audit. Okay. AUD user ID Uber. Okay. So this I am getting a log here. Let me run one more command here. I am running it on the other. So So anything that you are doing any changes, then you will be able to check that in the logs here. So that's why you will be doing it with this command here, audit. So where you will be doing the audit control of the process, like it should not span one more process here. Okay. So let me, I will run one command here. Okay. Let me run one command here. In the background, I am going to run the command top. Okay. Okay. Now let's see. So I have run the command there. Top. Let me see. I see. So you are doing it, or you are not able to understand what exactly I am doing.
My VM is a broken topic.
Sorry, yeah, Pawan?
My VM is in training.
Huh?
My VM is in training.
Okay.
I'm having
Over to
issue with
you,
my VM.
Bhargavi. Uh, See this, this is straightforward lab. Okay. So where you will be directly doing the exploitation and analysis of the uh, adversary activity like hacking, all that. Okay, now we will see for exercise 3 now. So this is like simulate post-based persistent by creating a system D process and con job. So that will have a beacon or maintain a access here. Okay. So let me show you exercise 2 in the graphical presentation, what exactly we have done. Okay. So I will open a paint here. okay, you have a Fedora VM here, okay. This is 10.218 dot what is the IP address? 20.257. Okay. 20.257. So you have one more VM here, which is Kali Linux. So what you are doing, see, this is running a service at 9000. Okay, this is some application. They are running it on port 900. So what you are trying to do, okay, accessing this server, okay, and then you are putting the injections here, and then you are executing the commands here. So now here you got the shell here. So instead of accessing this application, you are exploiting it with the commands here. Now you are able to tell, put the commands here, who am I, or you are able to send ping 127.0.0.1, and then you are able to extract cat/etc/password. So all that, this is the exploit that you are doing it on the target server. Okay, so you are attacking it and you are getting this information from here. This is what the exercise is all about. Okay, understood?
Yes.
Okay, now we will go for the third
Yes.
exercise. Persistence, system D and con. Okay, so here on the target VM, so what you are going to do, so you will be creating a system D service. Okay, so you will create a service here, persistent service. Okay, and then you will be executing those con jobs also, persistence on that. Okay. So let's create this. Okay. Cat. So I am creating this file. Okay. So until this, it will create a file here. Okay. Copy. So temp persistent underscore demo slash s dot sh. So let me create this file. Okay, I have created this file. I will go into temp cd slash temp. So I will type ls. So there you have persistence demo dot sh. Okay. So now I am going to change that executionable file to I will change this chmod to executional. Okay. So let me see. This got executed now. It turned into green now. Okay. So now you are creating a system process. Until this, you are creating a system process like what is this? We call it as a system daemon. Like you are creating a backdoor, some kind of a backdoor. Okay. So where you will be using the system D, and you will be trying to create a file so that the other target victim will see, okay, this is system D, this is related to server OS, so I should not be touching that. Okay, so let it run because you have created it into a system D. So now what you are doing is, okay, so you are trying to load the daemons here, daemon reload. all those services, whatever you have done it, this also it will start that running that particular service. Okay. So once he has taken the access, once hacker has taken the access, now he is creating a backdoor here, so that he can come and log in whenever he want. Okay. So now you are verifying whether you are enabling that service here. Okay. So this got enabled now. Okay. So now you are verifying whether this service is running or not. Load it. Now you are creating a con job here. On tab. So it is asking like you don't have this package, are you going to install? I said okay, you install it. Copy. I am sending that input also. Now I am verifying this on tab. My con. Okay. Command not found. Okay. Now, see one job it is running here. Okay. So now I have executed the created a scheduled job here. So every 5 minutes I am going to execute something here, and then I will be able to extract the information. Okay. So once every 5 minutes you can check this persistent dot log here. Okay. So it will be creating the log here. No files remaining. Sudo cat dot persistent demo dot log. Okay. Now let me open one, two. So this it is running it here. So every 1 minute it will be running. Okay. So it will keep on executing this. Okay. So that is what our exercise is. Okay. So once this is done, we will be doing it append to dot bash or c, so that it runs on every interactive shell. Okay. know what you are going to do. Shell shell.log. Let me run this echo. Shell grep shell started. So I will take a break. Okay. I will have one break and I will come back again. I will pause the recording now. So you are seeing all these services, right? So these are all your services where you have installed or OS or application. So now you have done it, you created one service and you started and you want to access it for further access. Okay. So like in Windows, you are creating one service and you are triggering it and you maintain the access. This is how your vendor will maintain access, like HP, Dell. They will create one service. Whenever you contact them, they will be able to access your server or your laptop through these services. That's what we have done it in this exercise. Now we'll do SSH now, this exercise. Last exercise we'll do. So generate attacker SSH key. So now you are creating a access keys here. Okay. Generate attacker SSH key. So now I am creating it on the attacker VM, means on the Kali Linux I am creating it. Okay, let me open up. So on Kali Linux, so I am creating it, saving key, generating key pair, no such file. lab slash apt underscore key. Okay, so Uber. Okay, then so I will be giving this target IP address IPA at 10.218.20.57. Okay, yes. Okay. So now I am into, now this is Kali Linux. Okay, so I logged into the Fedora here without password. Okay, let me show you the IP address. Okay, IPA. Okay, so you will see that 20.57 I am into this server. Okay, so I logged into this server. If you want to see how many logged in, you can just type W. You see now these many are the logins now. So this is now just I connected it. Okay, session W. Okay, so this is how you will be getting the access here. So if you put that key there, then you will be getting that access here without password. So you have copied those files there. Okay, your SSH key, through SSH key, so you are now connecting. Okay, so if you want to check these things, okay, as a blue team, what you are going to do, okay, now you see from this document, so we will see it here. Okay, so account manipulation. Okay, this is on the MITRE mapping. You have added the SSH authorized key. Okay, so you will be without password or nothing, you are going to get traced here. So administrator will be seeing like anyone has used the passwords or someone accessed the files, all that. So you have bypassed everything here, account manipulation. So for that, what you are going to do, you will check who has accessed the authorized keys. Okay, so this is where all the authorized keys will be present in Linux. So from security point of view, this is very critical for you to monitor this authorized keys. So you are going to see who has accessed this. See, so some guy has done this and he has copied this one. Okay, so you will be seeing that. Okay, now you are seeing what are these commands. Okay, key based logins. Okay, do anyone has key based logins? You are going to check. Okay, so there is no such file. Okay, so now you are going to see this on the audit logs. So this is not yet logs are not yet captured here. Okay, so these are the exercises that you will be doing it for the detection, and that is for attacking. That's how you gain the access. This is how you detect it and stop it. So we'll do the theoretical part here. then you will understand what exactly we are doing it here. So we will complete this. I believe this we have completed the chapters here. Let me open up our content here. Cyber security content. Okay.